I am Dr. Palla Janardhan, working as a consultant pediatrician and pediatric care intensivist at Cloud9 Tanisandra branch, Bangalore. Balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, micronutrients, vitamins, minerals and including good amount of water. Always plan your child meal at least 5 servings per day. Keeping healthy snacks such as fruits and vegetables including each meal. Giving good amount of protein and limit the fat intake by avoiding the fried foods and choosing the healthier cooking habits such as boiling and steaming. Limit the fast and low nutrient diet such as chips and candies, but don't try to avoid completely. Keep it once in a while foods and limit sugary drinks, foods that are small, round, sticky substances, more of like hard vegetables, chunks of soya and nuts. These can cause choking, which are at the risk of less than 4 years. Children should always be supervised during meals and snacks items.